Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ghost of Yotei not launching, crashing, freezing, not loading, lagging, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and finally select rebuild database. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed further. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Ghost of Yotei, then click on restore and finally confirm it by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open first settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose saved data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select Ghost of Yotei, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. Here you should make sure that your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help you to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. So for that, first open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language, then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, first go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. Next select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and last choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Ghost of Yotei. For that, first highlight Ghost of Yotei on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Ghost of Yotei again to check if the error is resolved. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from PlayStation support. Link already I have provided in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across to the support team. They will try to resolve it from their end and hopefully you can play the game further without any problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Ghost of Yotei not launching, crashing, not loading, black screen, lagging, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.